Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Authenticator not working on Android. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply go and open your Play Store or App Store, whatever that you are using. And now you will have to search for Google Authenticator. Once you search for it, now you should click on it and see if you have an update or not. If you have an update, you just have to update it, then try to see if the issue is fixed or not. Now, if you still face the problem, you can simply open Google Authenticator, then click on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Now go to settings, then tap on time correction for codes, then click on sync now. It will show you this page. Just click on OK and see if the issue is fixed. And after that, you will have to restart your Google Authenticator app and see if the issue is fixed or not. If you still have the issue, you can simply go and open it again, then click on your profile picture on the top right corner, then click on use without an account, click on continue, and after that you will be logged out of your account. And now you can simply click on the profile picture on the top right corner again and log in into your account and restart the application and see if the issue is fixed or not. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.